guys, so for today's video we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be reviewing this guy right here. This is the Tangle Teezer Ultimate Vented Hairbrush. So I'm going to show you the hairbrush and we're just going to kind of do a little get ready with me. I'm going to do my hair, show you guys my makeup, show you guys the end result, my outfit and everything. So let's go ahead and get started. I normally just let my hair air dry and it tends to get a little bit frizzy when I let it air dry, but I really don't like to use heat on my hair, so that's why I let it air dry. This is what it looks like. I will show you guys up close. So your hair weaves through the wide base of the teeth to remove excess water, and then this vent in the middle, it controls the airflow, and it's supposed to give you a smoother, quicker blow dry. So we are gonna try it out and see how it works on my hair. So first what I'm gonna do is just go in with my Tangle Teezer detangling brush and just quickly brush through my hair. So what's nice about the Tangle Teezer Ultimate Vented Hairbrush is that you don't have to like pre-dry your hair or anything. You can just start out with super wet hair and use this brush just fine. So this brush is supposed to help with frizz and just give your hair like an overall smoother look versus air drying. So let's try it. When I blow dry my hair, I usually like to just do it in sections. I have fine hair, but it's pretty thick. I have a lot of it. So that is why I like to do sections. So I'm just taking the brush and I'm just pulling it down through my hair just as if I were brushing my hair normally, and then just moving the blow dryer along with it. Just a little tip when you're blow drying, focus on your roots first and then your ends. Your ends dry a lot faster and we don't want our ends to get dry and gross. So here is the first section done, looking very smooth, looking very good. Another tip, if you find your hair gets frizzy, try turning the speed and the heat down of the dryer. It may just be too hot and it may just be blowing too hard. So drying your hair with a standard brush with a hairdryer nozzle directly touching the brush or your hair, it'll create way too much friction. It'll dry your hair out quickly, and this will cause breakage and split ends. You can definitely apply a heat protectant, which I highly recommend, but if you are continuously applying heat directly to your hair, nothing's going to stop it from breaking. Leaving your hair to air dry can be just as damaging because hair is most fragile when it's wet. So if you're leaving it wet for long periods of time, then you're exposing it to breakage. So here is what my hair looks like after I use the Tangle Teezer Ultimate Vented Hairbrush. So I want to put a disclaimer that I have not put in any product in my hair. All I did was wash my hair, shampoo, conditioner. I didn't use any oils, any creams, serums, nothing. And this is what my hair looks like. So no need to even use a straightener or curling iron. I can just go out like this and it is very shiny, very smooth. I'm looking in the mirror, I don't see any frizz. It looks really good. I'm gonna show you guys a 360 of my hair real quick and let me know what you guys think. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, so I will be right back. I was starting to do my makeup. This little guy decided he was hungry. So just want to show you guys real mom stuff. He thinks it's funny. So I'm gonna feed him and then I will do my makeup and show you guys the final result. Makeup is on. And I also have this one who has joined me. Nash is still eating. His bottle's propped up. And he just got back in from being outside. He's about to go night-night. You ready to go night-night? It's almost impossible to get Nash. I always call them Nash and Nax. It's almost impossible to get Knox and Nash together at the same time with me. It's probably not ever gonna happen. Is that good? He loves feeling, don't mess with my makeup. He loves feeling my eyelashes. So we got the hair, we got the makeup, and now I'm going to put on a cute outfit and I will show you the whole ensemble. And here is the full outfit, looking super cute with nowhere to go. Maybe Target. Here, I don't know if you can see the shoes. So that is the video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I'll be sure to link this Tangle Teezer Ultimate Vented Hairbrush in my description box, so be sure to check it out. And I will see you guys in my next one. Mwah! Bye!